Hey guys, I'm KIARRA Solomon, founder of the Right Click Agency, and today I'm here to talk to you about ways you can increase your social media engagement. So this is an area that I see a lot of people struggle in, and if you want some really quick and easy things that you can do to improve your social media engagement, you want to make sure to watch this whole video because it's really going to help you, okay? The first thing that you can do to improve your social media engagement is review the times that you post on social media and determine whether or not those are the times that your followers are active on social media, and if you switch or alternate your times, could you get better engagement, better results? So you can see the best times for you to post by using your Facebook or Instagram insights and getting some information about when your target audience is online. The second thing that you can do to increase your social media engagement is create more content that your followers already like. The things that are getting the best results, the things that are getting the most likes, the most shares, the most saves. You want to create more of that type of content. And right now on Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn as well, and of course if you're watching on YouTube, then you know that the best type of content to produce is video content. So you want to take advantage of all the different types of video that you can create, short form and long form content, and make sure that you're regularly posting a mix of both. The third thing that you can do to increase your social media engagement is to create more shareable, community focused or community centered content. If you're creating content that resonates with your audience, that they feel like sharing with their friends and followers, that's going to drastically increase your engagement and your ranking in the algorithm on social media. Shares and saves are actually the primary types of engagement that you want to get, especially if we're talking about Instagram. So you want to make more content that people will want to share with the people that they're connected to. Think about what your community values and how you can incorporate that into your content creation strategy. The fourth thing that you want to do to increase your social media engagement is to pay attention to what's trending. Now, I know this can sound a little cheesy, and for some of us, it can be a little cringy, but you definitely want to stay up to date on trending topics and as much as possible incorporate them into your marketing, especially when they're relevant, right? So whatever you're posting, whatever is relevant, or whatever you're doing, you want to make sure it's relevant to what's going on today on social media. That can mean using trending songs in your reels or on your stories. It can also mean talking about trending topics depending on what industry you're in, right? And so you want to make sure that you are doing that to a certain degree, because those are the things that are going to keep the conversation going on your social media pages and profiles. And at the end of the day, that's actually one of the best things that you can do. Keep the conversation going, okay? My fifth and final tip on how to improve your social media engagement is literally the golden rule. Do unto others as you would have them to do unto you. And what that means is you should be engaging with other people's content. The more you engage with other people's content, the more those people and the people connected to them actually are going to see the content that you share and create. And that's because Facebook or Instagram or whatever social media platform you're using, they see that engagement from your side as meaning that you and that person want to interact and engage more with each other. So they're going to show you more of their content. This is one of the best and easiest ways to make sure those friends and followers who have gone dormant on your social media profiles are able to see the stuff that you're posting. Go to their profiles and start commenting, sharing, saving their post, and this will help improve your visibility on their feeds. I hope these tips helped you, and if you need more social media marketing tips, make sure that you follow us. And if you want some advice on your digital marketing strategy, you can schedule your free digital marketing assessment at rightclickagency.com/consultation. See you guys next time.